words, but boy, it don't feel right. What do you expect me to say? You know I'm just a little bit. You take my hand and you say you've changed, but boy, you know you're begging, don't fool me, because to you it's just a game. You know it's just a little bit. So let me on down. This time has made me strong. I'm starting to move on. I'm gonna say this now.